At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a glass cup business can be an exciting venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Begin by researching the market demand for glass cups. Understand your target customers, their preferences, and the competition in the industry. Identify any gaps or niches that your business can fill. 2. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your business goals, target market, products, marketing strategies, financial projections, and operational plan. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your business and will be essential when seeking funding or investment. 3. Legal considerations. Register your business and obtain any necessary licenses or permits required to operate a glass cup business in your area. Consider consulting with a legal advisor to ensure compliance with regulations and to protect your intellectual property rights if you plan to design your own cups. 4. Supplier selection. Research and select reliable suppliers for your glass cups. Consider factors such as quality, price, lead times, and shipping options. Establish strong relationships with your suppliers to ensure consistent product quality and timely delivery. 5. Product development. Decide on the types of glass cups you want to offer, such as tumblers, wine glasses, mugs, or specialty cups. Consider factors such as design, size, shape, and any additional features or customization options. You may also want to explore eco-friendly or sustainable materials to appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. 6. Branding and packaging. Develop a strong brand identity for your glass cup business, including a memorable company name, logo, and branding materials. Design attractive and functional packaging for your cups that reflects your brand and protects the product during shipping and display. 7. Sales and distribution channels. Determine how you will sell your glass cups. Options include selling directly to consumers through your own website or retail location, wholesaling to retailers, or selling through online marketplaces. Consider a multi-channel approach to reach a wider audience. 8. Marketing and promotion. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your glass cup business and attract customers. Utilize a mix of online and offline marketing tactics, such as social media marketing, email campaigns, influencer partnerships, trade shows, and advertising. Highlight the unique features and benefits of your cups to differentiate yourself from competitors. 9. Launch and scale. Launch your glass cup business with a strong marketing push to generate initial sales and buzz. Collect feedback from customers and refine your products and marketing strategies based on their input. As your business grows, consider expanding your product line, exploring new markets, and scaling your operations to meet demand. 10. Customer service and satisfaction. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty with your customers. Handle inquiries, complaints, and returns promptly and professionally. Encourage customer feedback and use it to continuously improve your products and services. Starting a glass cup business requires careful planning, execution, and dedication, but with the right strategy and effort, it can be a rewarding and profitable venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.